guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope all of you all had a great day. Today I am going to be showing you what my makeup slash skincare routine is when I'm going out, and this is legit exactly what I do. So let me just show you all what I do. So my skincare routine y'all have already seen and y'all know what I do. So obviously, first things first, I'll apply some of my facial oil. As you all know, it is summer and you need to be summer safe. So there are a few things I do differently when I'm going out in the sun. So first obviously is applying my facial oil. Then I go in with my anti-acne aloe vera gel. It's a really good product which I have in my skincare now. And in the summer times, I genuinely do feel that this is something that should be added. Anyways, all this is something that you all have previously seen. So I'm just going to quickly apply that. So I have applied my anti-acne gel, and it's basically aloe vera gel. Now the next thing that I will apply is, again, as you all know, a moisturizer. So I'm using my Hydrofill moisturizer. So let me just quickly add the moisturizer. Trust me, there is something different which will happen after the moisturizer. I'm not just repeating the whole same video. I have two more things I add on to my face. Also remember, when you are layering on products, you want to add very little amounts of products because there's going to be like a lot of stuff on your face. So you don't want it to be like a very thick layer. Just add a little bit of all the products so you know it just it doesn't feel too heavy on your skin. Now the next thing I add is sunscreen. So one of my subscribers asked about the sunscreen. I'm going to show you all two sunscreen options which I personally love using on my skin and on my face, basically, not on my body. On my body I use something else. I'm talking only about the face. So one is this from Neutrogena, which is the Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50. This 30 ml tube comes for 200 rupees, so it's not that expensive, and it kind of comes in this, this is the product. So you can add this. It's just normal like any other product. And the second option is this face guard. So if you have very oily skin and you don't want to add on this sunscreen, this is another option that you all can try out. So this is face guard. It's a silicone sunscreen. So the thing is, it's gonna give you a primer like effect, okay? And let me just show you all. This is my sunscreen. It looks like this, and if you add this on your skin, it's gonna give you this faded sort of a look. I'm not sure if y'all can again tell on camera, but it's a very primer-like feel. And if you all know how silicone products feel, it's exactly just that. And if you all do not know how silicone products feel, it feels like a mattifying primer. So because of my treatment and everything, my skin is kind of dry, so I will be using this this sunscreen. Again, I'm using very little amounts. And also remember to go under your eye and on your eyelids and on your neck as well, and on your ears if you want thoda sa. Okay, now after this is done, the last product that we will be adding is gonna be this calamine lotion. You can get this Clinical lotion or even lactocalamine is okay, whatever. So this is very good for heat, basically. More than sun, it's very good for heat. So I add this, and this is what I use on my hands, my legs, my neck and my face. So you need to take very less amounts of this. So you need to take very less amounts of this, and I will show you how much. So I'm gonna use this for my neck and my face. That is it. If you add too much, your face is gonna become white. I'll show you all. So anyways, add very little. On your hands and your body. If you take too much, I'll just show you all what will happen. For example, you take too much, it's gonna look white. It's not gonna like really get absorbed that easily, as you can see. And then when you sweat, it's gonna look all the more white. So take very less amounts of this product. So with that, our skincare is done and you are safe to go out in the sun. I don't know about you guys, but personally, if it is the summertime, I do not like to add a lot of makeup on my face. I want something very light, and I don't want something that's like gonna weigh on my face, because you will get sweaty here and there, so you don't want a lot of makeup on your face, right? Which is why in the summers when I go out, when I have been going out rather recently, I don't add any makeup on my skin other than what I will show you right now. But sometimes I will do something with my eye, but I do not add foundations and concealers and all of that. I'm just staying away from all of that till June, because I cannot, for the love of God, have foundation on my skin during summers. But I think eyebrows I can. So first what I do is I will, again, this is the Color Sense pencil, so which has this pulley behind. So first I'll just brush out my eyebrow hair and I'll just fill in my eyebrows lightly again. Can you all tell this looks much more defined than this one? I'm just going to show you all the difference. So I'll just do the same thing over here as well. That's all I do with my brows, and it just looks so much more better, right? The next thing that we're gonna do is take your kajal or eyeliner pencil and add some kajal over here, just to give your eyes a bit better definition. You want to add some eyeliner over here. If you want, you can add some eyeliner on your waterline as well. As I just don't personally enjoy doing it because I feel my eyes are already too small, so I don't want to make them look smaller, which is why I just add some on the upper part of the eyelid. Now the last thing I actually do is just slap on some lashes. I know it is not common in India, I guess, but hear me out. First of all, it is not common, so people don't really quickly understand or catch on to the fact that you have fake lashes, which is a very big bonus for me, and it just changes your eye dramatically. So I will add lashes on this one eye and I'll show you the difference. Just give me a minute. So I have added lashes on this eye, and this eye just looks much more nicer, right? Obviously nobody's gonna come super close. If someone comes like super duper close over here and they look at me, they'll understand that I have fake lashes. But when you're going out, nobody really does that anyways. More so now during this pandemic, no one's gonna come very close to you and you are going to look amazing. So let me add lashes on this eye as well, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have added lashes on both my eyes. Now as you can see, even from far away, you can tell there is some white over here and some white over here, which you do not want to be seen, because as of now it looks quite obvious, right? You don't want it to be visible at all. What I now will do is I will take a black liner and I will make a very thin line just above my lashes that I have applied the lashes to cover up the white. The white is basically the glue. Okay, so I have added the liner on the lashes very little. I have just, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I have just lined my lashes with some very thin liner, and I've just lined my eyelashes so that the white part or that line is not seen and it looks much more neater and seamless. So there is no foundation, no concealer, nothing, no color corrector, no blush, highlighter, nothing, no contour. Just skincare and the lashes and some eyebrow filling is done. Now for the last part, again it's optional. Personally, I don't always like to apply lipstick when I'm wearing a mask, just because I feel the lipstick will go all over my face. But if you have a matte lipstick or something that you know is not going to smudge, you can use that. I have this lipstick with me over here, which is in this shade, I guess. It's a very pale pink. So I'm gonna add some of that lipstick. So this lipstick I know does not smudge, and also even when I wear a mask, I know the lipstick will not color my whole this lower part. And yeah, you're good to go. Just wear your sunglasses, wear a mask. If you want, wear a cap or a scarf or whatever it is, or just don't. And you're good to go in the sun. And that is what I personally do. This is the makeup that I have been doing for summer, and I am legit, like I'm genuinely doing this makeup, or this is how I look when I'm going out. This is what I do before stepping out of the house. So that is it for the video, and if you all have enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments below. I will leave a link to the products that I have used in this video in the description box below, in case you want to go check it out and buy them yourself. So the eyelashes which I have used, they were not really branded, they are not branded. I'll leave a link to a similar set of lashes so y'all can go check those out. The next thing is the facial oil. Like I have mentioned in all my previous videos, I make it at home myself, so it's not really available anywhere on Amazon or anywhere. And I do not want to recommend or tell you all things which I don't personally know, and especially when it comes to skin. I don't want to take a chance and tell you all something or recommend something to you all and then you all get like spots and acne and stuff. So I'm not going to recommend it. But yeah, that's it for the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.